To assemble this playpen, first secure the ladder section to the corresponding holes on the baseboard. Attach the ladder with the included washers and wing nuts. Secure the wooden dowel with the attached swing into the designated space on the ladder. The wood pieces fit tightly together. It's made to be extra sturdy. Next, attach the hinged wood piece to the baseboard. Secure the wooden dowel with the attached swing into the designated space on the hinged wood piece. Perch toys attached to the baseboard with included hardware as well. The wooden dowels fit easily into their designated spaces for a safe playtime.